Hi there, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to play the penny whistle. Penny whistle looks like this. They're just little flutes. They come in different styles, like we can see this one. It's pretty simple. This one, however, it has a little more design right here on the body of it, and then in the mouthpiece it also has a wooden piece. But we're going to play with the other one this time. So as we can see here, we have the body of the flute and then the mouthpiece, just like this. On the body, there's 6 holes all along the front. How you hold the penny whistle, take your right hand, your pointer finger is going to be on hole number 4, middle finger on the one right below it, and then the ring finger is right below that. Pinky doesn't cover a hole, and then your left hand, the pointer finger goes on the very top hole, middle finger right on the next one, and the ring finger right on the next hole. This is how you hold the penny whistle. Your left pinky doesn't do anything. Your right pinky is going, you want to put it right here, just on the flute. It's going to help stabilize as you're playing. And then your thumbs are just on the back. They're just kind of hanging out, and they just help you to hold the penny whistle a little bit better. A few pointers and things to remember as you start playing the penny whistle. You need to make sure that your fingers are covering the hole completely. If it doesn't cover the hole, you'll get a squeaking sound and it doesn't sound good. And that just means that you need to check your fingers and make sure that your holes are covered. And the more that you play and practice, the better that you'll become at making sure your holes are covered. Also, you need to keep your mouth very loose. The more tense you are and the tighter you squeeze, that also produces a squeak and does not sound good. So go ahead and play your penny whistle for a minute, just see what it sounds like. It'll probably sound like this. See that last note? My finger wasn't covered all the way at first. That's really important to make sure that happens. Once you get this down, the finger rings, what I like to start with are scales. So it's just a very simple scale. You're going to start with all your fingers down. This is D. And then we're just going to take one finger off at a time. So D, all fingers down. E, F, G, A, B, C is nothing, no fingers on. High D is all 3 on the bottom, all 3 fingers on the bottom, just like this. And then your bottom 2 fingers on the top notes, just like this. So the only one that's not covered is your pointer finger with your left hand, and that sounds like this. High D. Okay, so once again, and if you notice as I was going up, so we have D, E, F, G. I put my pinky, your pinky needs to stay here to help stabilize as you lift up these other notes. So we know this is G, A, B, C is nothing. High D again is everything except your top finger. That's the scale, and when I get to high D, I play high D twice, and then I go back down. So it will sound something like this. That's it. You're on your way to becoming a professional. There's lots of really great songs to play on the penny whistle. Start with your scale. It's the best thing, and that's what's going to help you the most.